Okay, hey, it's April 29th. Probably going to put, hang on, the juggernaut's gotta poop. Okay, we'll try it again. There's a park near to my house. It's an old golf course, and they have taken out the golf course and left all of the golf cart paths. I'm walking. And I think I've done a couple of videos out here walking. So I bring these two mutts out here every day. So part of the walking too is it's my time. And it might only be 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how far we walk and the weather, so on and so forth. But this is my guaranteed time. Back from my walk, it's 11. There's Big Daddy, and I'm just now getting around to eating breakfast. So I'm having oatmeal with cinnamon and blackberries in it this morning. Now I have to pick up poop. All right, it's noon, and I'm just now getting into my studio to start my day. Okay, Cooks is in here somewhere. Oh God, so we're mixing more dyes today. These are projects that still have to be washed out, and then we're going to fill all of this up again today. My goal is like 20 a day. So my soda ash water is full. We're gonna be working through this. I have all of this. Okay, my colors are mixed. I have added the baby clothes and stuff in here. It's got to soak for 20 minutes or more. And I have changed my shirt because I have 4 dedicated tie-dye shirts, and the one I had on, I didn't want to get it dirty. But now I have to go to Home Depot and recycle some batteries, and then I'm looking for some wildflower mats for my front yard. So while these are soaking, I gotta run an errand.